The issue having with the HP LaserJet M404 printer. It just starts loading like this, and every time I select the printer, and it just starts loading and just crashing the program. Not even able to respond or do anything on the program. Just keeps saying not responding. Sometimes it will recover itself. Sometimes it'll just be stuck in here, this not responding forever, and there's no way for you to get back in. You just have to like force close the program and open it up to try print again. It's only happening to this one printer. We have 4 other printers set up, and it's not happening to the other ones. Then finally, it took maybe that was about 30 seconds, 1 minute of waiting, and now I can actually print to it. So the printer does finally work. We fixed that, but it's still crashing every time I try to print, and when you select the printer just to load. So something within the software, the drivers, is causing the issue. How I know it's not any of the programs, so you see all the other printers, if I select any of them, they work fine. Weirdly enough, if you print directly from here, it will just print. But if I open up, let's say Notepad, I'll do test print from here. This is a very basic program, shouldn't take much resources. It still is. So 400 is fine. As soon as I go over to 404, boom, it's already frozen, it's already not responding, and so same problem. So any program I go run into, it will kick this error as soon as I try to print to the 404. So if there's some sort of solution, I've already tried uninstalling all the drivers, deleting the HP folders, reinstalling the drivers and the software for HP, and I've gotten this far, but now it still has that little bit of lag. For Notepad, it's only like a 15-second lag, but when you go to a bigger program like Microsoft Word, there's like a 1 minute lag. If you go to QuickBooks, it's more like a 2-minute lag. So the bigger the program, the more the lag is just to print. So if you guys could figure out the issue, that would be great. I do have HP Smart installed. I have it set up here and updated. It keeps complaining about out of paper, but it's not. I've set it up with a USB and network as well. Right here, we can try printing to the network portion of it. Let's see if there's any different. Print. So that's the USB one, and 404, this is the 404 setup through the network. So hit that, same thing. Now it's frozen again. So yeah, whether we set it up by USB cable directly plugged in, whether we set it up through the network with the IP address, it definitely seems something to do with the software drivers. I did find this issue did start happening right after the update HP had, where Microsoft Windows Update caused some issues to their program, and they were never fully able to work. So there was information here on the right that said, with a screenshot, that HP support drivers were not fully compatible with the new Windows 10 updates, and they were working on fixing them and restored that. Since then, now the update notification is gone, and they've said they've got new drivers. So you see the drivers were updated here in May 12. So there's just some drivers released today as well, but I've tried installing all the latest drivers, still with the same problem. If you could find the issue and then let us know what we can do to fix it. Thanks.